Hello everyone. When you're looking for a broker, you usually have to consider safety and features. Today, we're comparing Thinkmarkets and Roboforex. One is built for security and professional tools, while the other is known for variety and features. Let's break down which one you should trust with your money. Thinkmarkets is widely considered the safer option for conservative traders. They're regulated by the top authorities like the FCA in the UK and ASIC in Australia. This gives you a massive level of protection that many other brokers can't match. Their biggest selling point is their technology. They offer a custom platform called ThinkTrader, which is packed with professional charting tools. They also have a huge range of over 4,000 instruments, including stocks and ETFs. If you want a regulated, professional environment with deep access to global markets, Thinkmarkets is the winner here. On the other side, we have Roboforex. This broker is all about flexibility and speed. They are famous for their copy FX system, which lets you copy the trades of successful investors automatically. Roboforex is also very beginner friendly because you can start with just $10. They offer massive leverage up to 1 to 2,000, which is much higher than what you'll find at Thinkmarkets. Plus, they have a huge variety of accounts, including cent accounts for those who want to practice with tiny amounts of real money. In terms of costs, both are very competitive. Thinkmarkets offers a Think Zero account with spreads starting at 0 pips, though you do pay a small commission. Roboforex is known for having some of the lowest commissions in the industry on their Prime and ECN accounts. However, keep in mind that Roboforex is regulated in Belize. While they are a member of the Financial Commission, which protects your funds up to $20,000, they don't have the same gold standard licenses that Thinkmarkets holds. So what is the final word? Choose Thinkmarkets if you want the maximum safety, trade a lot of global stocks, or prefer a highly regulated broker with professional charting. Choose Roboforex if you want to use copy trading, need very high leverage, or want to start with a very small deposit. Both brokers have their strength depending on your goals. Check out the links in the description to see their latest offers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading comparisons. See you in the next one.